Hello, this is Scott at Aquascapes ATX. I thought I'd do a quick video on broccoli rabe. I was cooking some to add in, or picking some to add in some soup, so I thought I'd do a quick video on it. So show you the broccoli rabe. So here is my broccoli rabe plant. This was plants. They were probably planted maybe 2 months ago. I would say I started them in September, and I've done a couple different starts. There's some more over in this area over here. I always spread things out a little bit just for, I don't know, like to grow different areas, see how they do. So there's the broccoli rabe. So I've picked some already. We'll jump inside here in a second. So broccoli rabe is kind of like mustard greens, and you can use it the same way. Very popular in Italian dishes. So I've read the, but it's nice. It's can be a little tough, especially bigger leaves like I have here now. So what I'm gonna do is chop it up and then blanch it for maybe 2 or 3 minutes. The water's still ready to boil before, and then drain it, and then we can use it in some other dishes. So I'm chopping it up here. You don't have to get it super small because as it cooks, it'll cook down, but you want to get it so it's not going to be too stringy. And I leave the stems and all. That's a personal preference. You want to rip it off. Like when I'm doing Swiss chard and the leaves get kind of big, some people like to not include those. I think they basically end up working kind of like celery in any dish, so it doesn't really bother me too much. But here these are all chopped up, so it's easy to work with. So my water is boiling, and I just added the sliced up broccoli rabe in here. I'm going to set like a 2-minute timer. So now I'm draining the water from the broccoli rabe. If you're making a pasta dish, then actually I would just use some tongs, pull the broccoli rabe out, and that water can be reused for boiling the pasta. It's actually very good to use that since the water's picked up some of the vitamins and flavor off of the broccoli, so that gets incorporated, absorbed somewhat into your pasta. So that is cooking. So I think I showed you it one more time. So that's cooked and basically ready to incorporate. You could eat that like mustard greens with some pepper sauce, sprinkled, vinegary pepper sauce sprinkled on it, or you can mix it into any pasta dish or any soup, which is what we're going to do tonight, is mix it in with soup.